everybody, this is Pat in the paper closet. I'm here today. We're going to decorate a few more pages on our blue journal. I've added a few things off camera, a few pockets and tucks. I'll show you those, and I have a few more that I want to add that we'll work on today. But I did want to show you, I received a few comments that people liked seeing what we made in past videos. So this was the photo mats that we made on the Silhouette software, the free software. These work out very well in our mini albums. So those are the maps. Then we did some embellished photos. We put our photos on a mat with a gray background. You could use any color you want. You pick your photos, just drag them in, add your text, your journaling, and these look very good in your albums. They're different, rather than just sticking a photo in there. So we made those, and then we made these. These are also embellished photos. We made the photos smaller, so we had room on the top for a little bit of journaling, which I like. Nice to have journaling on your book, in your book. Brings back the whole memory of the event. And then we also updated my planner. We made a new insert for my planner, which is working out very well. I went from like 4 pages for each month to just 2. So everything I have is on my pages. We're now in February. The calendar's filled in a little, and it's working out well. I have a whole year in here, which fits good. I also have a second part where I'm journaling special moments in life. The grandchildren when they were born, a special Christmas we had. So it's working out well. So I also have a video on how to make this. So if you want to see any of the past videos I've done, I put a link down in the description box. When you scroll down a little bit, all you have to do is hit show more, and there's a link there to all my videos. So if you're looking for any of these or anything else I've made in the past, that's how you would find them. Okay, so let's work on our book. Here's the cover. Here's a little charm. I also have a link to how to make these charms. They're made out of cardstock. I put a few in the book. So this, I haven't made my front pocket yet. My printer's not cooperating right now. We put on a corner pocket. It's something I cut out of my Silhouette. We made a corner pocket. I don't think I made this on the video last time. It's just a little corner tuck with the word happy on it as a tag. And I put a piece of paper I could journal on, and then just fold it up out of the way. Put the tag back in. This one, here's another one of my little charms that I made, tied on with crochet thread and glued down where the crochet thread is. I hope my camera's working. It doesn't show that it's working, but I'll keep going. Here's a tag, simple little tag I put in there. On this page, I just put a little sticker on the top corner. I want this mostly for journaling, so I'm not doing all the pages. As I fill it in, I'll add what I need. But for now, this one I used a little doily that was cut out from my Silhouette. I added a little piece of paper for journaling, and that tucks right in there. And I have this whole page to journal on. This one I just did a little side pocket. I have a few little word snips that I'm gonna put one of them on here. We'll do that right now. Just gonna ink it up a little bit, just so it stands out a little bit. on some glue. And this one says Sound of Silence. And I'll put it right about here. And that decorates it, dresses it up a little bit. No, that's good for that. Here's another doily with a separate piece to journal on. This one I'm going to add today. I've been going through all the embellishments I've made over the years, and I came across these words I had cut out when learning to use my silhouette. They're 2 layers glued together. It says thinking of you, and I think it would look perfect on the top on this page because I'm not going to put anything else on here. I'm just going to dab some glue all around. See if I can get it to stick. It should. Just dotting the glue on here. All the way across. Okay, let's see if it sticks. Right up here. Thinking of you. Special journaling spot in this book. Glue is sticking fine. Very good. Okay. I did add one more piece of trim on the page on these pages. I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages that have a bit of this lace trim on them. Okay, where was I? This one I added a pocket. Haven't made a tag yet. I will. This one I'm going to show you today how to make a little, it's a corner tuck. I'm going to glue this in the corner on 2 sides, and then we can always slip something under it. A piece of paper with journaling or tickets or something I want to keep. So I'm just going to, this I've already inked, no, ink it up. I could actually put a small photo on here also if I want to. Say a 2.5 by 3, something small. Okay, now I want to glue this part and this part so that those sides are stuck down. That'll make it a pocket. Have I got the right way? Alright, put my hand on the bottom. Now I know. This side. And this top part. I'm going to glue it to the top corner of the page. Not quite to the edge. Leave a little border. Okay. So now I can easily tuck something under there. A journaling card, a letter, anything I want. I'm not going to put anything else on there. Okay. This one I kind of made a little waterfall. And it was weird because it's very even on here, looking at it. But when you turn the pages, they're not even. So I can either have them even on the front or even on the back. So I think I'll leave them even on the front. I could put something on here, like I said, a small photo, a word snippet of some sort. I could journal on the back of these and I still have the page free. So that's just a little waterfall page. What else have I added? Let's see. Here I added a little metal charm that I had. It's a butterfly. It's on one of those, I don't know what they're called. I think they're by Tim Holtz. It opens like a safety pin, but the bottom is rounded so that the charms can hang. I just pinned it to the lace. So I'm going to put a few more of those I might take a few more of my charms that I've made and put them on a few pages. And then I just added a little word tag, perfect day. Here's another little side pocket. I haven't put anything on there. Let's see what I have left. I have another one of these. It says on eagle's wings. And I'll put that one on there. Ink it. Inking the edges just makes it stand out a little bit more. A little bit finished. Okay. Inking my fingers. Put some glue on this one. My glue's still working. It hasn't clogged yet. Okay. Up here towards the top. On eagle's wings. And then in here I could fit a small journaling card or a paper, a little note. This pocket you've seen, this is the one made last time. I think I added this pocket since then. I could put a small tag in there. There's another pocket. I might put tags in all of them, but that's a lot of tags. Not much you can put on a tag. I'd rather add a folded letter or something of that sort. Another pocket. This one I cut out the little notch. I added this little word snippet and a button to this pocket. This one you've seen. We made this one last time. Here's something else I added. I made it pocket, a side pocket here, and then I put a little tuck on the front. So I can put the tag in here and something else in the pocket. It says, do what you love. And here I've taken one of those magnetic paper clip, magnetic, what do you call it? Bookmark that we made in one of my previous videos. Just look it up, it's there, paper clips and bookmarks. And I just put it on with a magnet. This way it's not permanent, but I want to put something else on here. So it's magnetized. There's another corner tuck. Tuck something in. And that's it. So that's what I've accomplished so far. I'm almost finished. I'm not going to do too much more in here. Like I said, I want more blank pages to work with. I'm just going to put the pocket on here. When I've finished everything up, I'll stamp a few stamps on some of the pages. And then I'll do a regular flip through of the whole book. But right now, that's as far as I've gotten. I'll do the pocket, I'll do the stamping, I'll make a few tags, and then I'll show you what I've done. So I hope you like this video. I think I've shown you a few different pockets you can make. Like I said, if you want to make these charms or see any of my previous videos, just look below in the description box. Click on the little show more button. If it's not listed there, it'll open it up. And there's a full list of all my videos there. And also there's a link to the video for the book, the charms, the cardstock charms. Okay, so thank you for coming. Glad you came back. And I'll see you soon. Please hit the like button. It helps me get more subscribers. Subscribe if you haven't already. And you'll be given a notice when the next video is up. So thank you very much. I'll see you soon. Bye.